Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have the bot invited. Now start by checking permissions and where commands will run. Open the server and navigate to the channel you'll use. Once there, type a // to reveal available /commands. This lists the bot's verbs and descriptions so you know what to run. Make sure the bot role sits above any roles it needs to manage, and confirm send messages and use / commands are enabled. After that, choose the command you want and prepare any required options. You're ready to compose the command. Click the command from the / menu or type it and use tab to auto-complete parameters. Fill required fields like user, duration, or reason and use subcommands or flags exactly. /kick user reason versus a plain message, for example. Once done, decide if the response should be ephemeral or public because that changes who sees the output. Select visibility if the UI provides it. Finally, press Enter to execute and watch the bot respond in the channel. After you run the command, verify success by reading the bot's confirmation or checking the server audit log for the action and timestamp. If nothing happened, make sure the bot still has the necessary permissions, that its role is above the target, and that you aren't inside a command cooldown window. Once done, try again. If issues persist, restart the bot or re-invite it with the proper OAuth scopes, because often a missing scope or role order causes silent failures. One crucial tip: always check permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.